How to fix clear search historay grayed out on iPhone Safari. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix clear search history grayed out on iPhone Safari. Without further ado, let's get started. So we're just going to head on and go to our settings. Let's scroll all the way to Safari right below the FaceTime option. Let's click on that. And once we scroll down, we should see the option to clear history and website data. Now, if it is grayed out on your side, that might mean that you might have some restrictions on your phone for not keeping track of the search history and not being able to clear it out. So to fix that, let's just go back to the page and let's scroll up and go to screen time right here. I'm just gonna turn it on. So, going through the screen time might be getting information about restrictions. So if it says any restrictions right over here, you can just turn it off. But if you don't see any, to make sure that we don't have any restrictions that is related to the search history on Safari, we can just turn off our screen time. So to do that, just scroll all the way down and click on turn off screen time over here. Click on turn off again and just wait for it to load so that it will be turned off. Now, if that still does not work and it is still grayed out, the next option that you can do is to restart your phone. So to do that, just hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously, and this should pop up, and you can just power it off and turn it on again to restart it. And the final thing that you can do is to check if your iPhone has the latest software update. So to do that, just click on General and click on Software Update right below the About option. And if it says up to date, that means that you're updated. And if it shows to download an iOS update, just install it. So that might be solving your problem. So that is how you can basically fix clear search history grayed out on iPhone Safari. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.